Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Abbasi and you are watching my YouTube channel Abbasi Tech7। दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को 18 व्हीलर ट्रक एक्सीडेंट लॉयर्स के बारे में जो है बताऊंगा। 18 व्हीलर्स ट्रक accident lawyers and the wheelers and 18 wheelers accident can leave you with and grievable injuries walls, and each accident defects and you are maybe now and right now and competition and for your damage including medical cost and loss of weight and emotional traumas if you lost the loved one, and you may be and available and wonderful of death claim and no should be pay and pockets and expenses and the debt of due to incident and beyond and can control injury, and you can call now and learn about and injury you could recover, enjoy ink and images and to medical bills and engineering and track and check the below 40 and comfortable and follow the alerts and from the forum letter the office and review 18 wheeler accident and determine how much and composition and could be recovered and that will first to consider and security and an injury and property damage before and value of the and cost of from accident and also including and the value of the case reviewable and concession damage and include and but are not limited to medical and treatment cost and rehabilitations and temporary cost and long-term care and lost wages and business and bonus and retarding in earning capacity and vehicle to recover or your replacement non-economic damage and reviewable and economic and damage will be now and not and to dollar value and and but not limit, and pain is the shopping emotional subtracting and distributability and disformate and loss of life enjoyment and loss of companionship, and because in none of the well-being and dollars figures and lawyers and calculate of the well-being and number of figures and loss of consideration of this total value how much in case of worth and the attorney and will be asked of a legal authority and statement. So thanks for watching and goodbye and goodbye.